Sometimes, managing your money is less about spreadsheets and more about having the right tool that keeps you consistent. And that's exactly where Actual Budget comes in. Actual Budget is an open-source, privacy-focused personal budgeting app that helps you plan your finances without giving up control of your data. It's built to make zero-based budgeting simple while keeping your information stored locally or on your own server, instead of sending it to a third-party cloud. For anyone who wants a clear, powerful budgeting system that feels familiar but puts privacy first, Actual Budget stands out as a strong alternative to mainstream apps. The app follows the envelope or zero-based budgeting approach. That means you assign every unit of your income to a category, whether it's rent, groceries, savings, or entertainment, until nothing is left unassigned. This structure gives you a real-time picture of your spending power and keeps you from overspending. With Actual Budget, you can create categories, set goals, and watch how your allocations evolve as you log transactions. It's especially helpful for people who want to see how their daily spending affects their ability to hit savings targets or pay off debt faster. Because it's open source, you can self-host Actual Budget on your own server using tools like Docker, or you can simply run it locally on your computer. This flexibility means your financial data stays under your control, which is a big advantage if you're concerned about privacy or subscription lock-in. The app also supports importing transactions from bank statements, syncing across devices when self-hosted, and providing a clean interface that feels intuitive, even for budgeting beginners. You can adjust your categories, roll over unused funds, and instantly see how much money is left in each envelope. It's this simplicity combined with control that makes it appealing to users who have tried larger commercial apps but found them too bloated or too tied to external servers. By combining zero-based budgeting with open-source privacy and a straightforward design, Actual Budget gives you a tool that can genuinely improve your financial habits without sacrificing security. Whether you're just getting serious about budgeting or you're looking to move away from proprietary apps, Actual Budget makes it easier to plan, track, and stick to your financial goals while knowing your data stays entirely yours.